Welcome back to chapter 16 tutorial on Excel VBA tutorial basic to advanced. In this chapter you will learn how to interact with user response in VBA message box. For that let me go to developer tab, then Visual Basic. Here I have created this message box module. First of all, let's create the sub procedure sub msg underscore box underscore response. Bracket open, close, press enter. First of all, we have to define the variable for the result of the message box. So here put dim result is integer. Press enter. Then set the value for the result variable, that is result equals to msgbox open bracket. Then put the prompt for the message box, and that is, for example, double quotes, do you want to learn Excel? This is the prompt, double quotation. Then put a comma. Here let me select a VV yes no type. Then add the question mark style. So put here VB question. Put a comma. In the title let me put here double quotes MS Excel double quotes. Then close the bracket, press enter. Now this code will display a message box with the text, do you want to learn Excel, where you will have two options to choose. One is yes and the another is no. If the user clicks on yes button, we have to run a code, and if the user clicks on no button, then we have to run a different code. For that we have to now combine the if statement. If result equal to VVS, then now write the code that you want to run when the user clicks on yes. For this let me put here msgbox space double quotes. Congratulations, your name is registered in the list, double quotation, comma, then choose VB information type, then press enter. Write the else statement. Then put the code that you want to run if the user clicks on no button, that is msgbox space double quotation, please contact us if you want to learn, double quotation, comma, choose VB information type, then press enter. Close the if statement with and if. Now if you run this code, first a message box will be displayed with the text, do you want to learn Excel. There you will have buttons to respond, that is yes and no button. When you click on yes button, a message box will be displayed with this text, and if you click on the no button, another message box with this text will be displayed. Let me click on the run button. Here you see a message box is displayed which is asking you, do you want to learn Excel, and here you have two options, yes, no. If you click on the yes button, here you see congratulations, your name is registered in the list. Let me run the message box again. This time let me click on the no button. Here you see a different message box is displayed which has a text, please contact us if you want to learn. So in this way we can interact with the user response in VBA message box. If you want to practice this, download the sample workbook file from the video description below. In the next chapter we will learn how to use the input box in VBA. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next chapter.